Children, the numbers that we write using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is decimal system of numeration or Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. And the numbers that we sometimes write I, double I, triple I, then IV, that is your Roman number system. So in the last two classes, I told you about the periods and places of a 9-digit number. That place value chart is your Indian place value chart, where we have discussed different periods and places. Today we are going to discuss the places and periods of the same 9-digit number in international place value chart. International place value chart means the countries outside India or most of the countries in the world, they use this international place value chart. So here I am going to tell you different periods and places for the same 9-digit number. So let us start from the right hand side. The first place is ones place, second is tens place, third is hundred place, fourth place is thousand, fifth place is 10,000 and sixth place is 100,000. Now you see in Indian number system or place value system, ones period contains 3 places. In international place value chart also ones period contains 3 places. Same, ones, tens, 100. Here in Indian number system, thousands period has 2 places, that is 1000 and 10,000, but in international place value chart 1000 periods contains 3 places, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, which is not present here in Indian system. So in international system, lakhs, crores periods or places are not there. Different system is followed. In thousands period there are 3 places. Then this is 6th place. Then 7th place is millions. The spelling is MILLIONS, millions. So the 7th place is millions, 8th place is 10 millions, 9th place is 100 millions. Okay, now here in Indian system the 9th place is 10 crores, but in international system the 9th place is 100 millions. Now you see in these two place value charts, in Indian place value chart, a number 9-digit number is divided into 4 periods, but in international place value chart the same 9-digit number is divided into 3 periods: ones, thousands, millions. So in ones period there are 3 places, thousands period there are 3 places, millions period also there are 3 places. Now while a number is written, how to put commas using the international place value chart system? As you already know, in Indian place value chart, from the right hand side, after 3 places you have to put comma, then 2 places you have to put comma, then again 2 places you have to put comma, and in crores also there are 2 places. But while you write comma for international place value chart, you have to put the commas at different places. Okay, like for example I'll tell you one number from brain teaser of this first chapter. The question is, form the smallest 8-digit number using the digits 7, 5, 0, 1, 2, 9, 8 and 4 and write the number name of that number formed both in Indian system and international system. So let us first write the smallest 8-digit number using these 8 digits. So as you are going to write the smallest 8-digit number, you should start from the smallest digit. So smallest among these digits is 0. But if you start from 0, then remaining 7 digit will have value, and 0 as it is written on the right left hand side, it will not have any value. It will be a 7-digit number. So इसलिए हमको शुरू 0 से नहीं करना है. You should start from 1. 1 then 0. So the number formed will be 1, 0, 2, then 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. This is the smallest 8-digit number. Now you have to write this number using both Indian system and international system. So how to write the number name? First you have to put the position of commas. So start from right hand side. This in Indian system. So 1, 2, 3, then comma. This is ones period. Then 1000 period 2 places. So 2 places, then comma, then lakhs period 2 places again, here comma, so it is crores period. Now what is the name? 1 crore 2 lakhs 45,789. Same number you have to write in international system. So how do you write? You have to put the position of commas at different places. In international system, one's period has three places, so you will count 1 2 3 then comma. Then next period is 1000. It does not have 2 places, it has 3 places, so you will count 3 1 2 3. देखो इंडियन में 2 के बाद कॉमा, यहाँ 3 प्लेस के बाद कॉमा, 1 2 3 comma, so this is one's period. Same, but here in 1002, here in thousands 3. Then next period is millions, so M. Now you have to write the number name. What is that? 10,245,000. नंबर नेम तो पीरियड के हिसाब से होता है, so 10 million. देन ये पूरा को लिख के फिर उसका पीरियड, so 245,789. Now another example I am giving you. Suppose this number is written and you have to write the number name in international system. So put the comma from the right hand side, 3 places, 1 2 3. Then this is one's period, then thousands period, 1 2 3, 3 places, so 3 के बाद comma, then 3 places, so this is million. So now the number name is 901 million. See 901 million, ये हो गया पीरियड खत्म. देन इसको लिखना है 820,000, ये पीरियड यहाँ खत्म हुआ. देन 400, वंस नहीं लिखना है. Children, if you have been given the number name and you have to write the numeral in international system by using comma after the period, then how do you write? Let me take one example. 18,960,080. Okay, you have to follow the same process that I have already told you for Indian system. So here this is the number name. You have to separate the number names according to their periods. So start from here. 18 million, million is a period, so million, and this is one group. Then 960,000, 100 is not a period, 100 कभी period नहीं है, तो यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं करना है. 960,000, 1000 is a period, so यहाँ पे ख़त्म करना है. So this is second group. Then 80, 1000 के बाद one's period, so this belongs to 80 one's period. Now you have to put dashes. So up to millions, there are how many places? 9 places. So you have to give 9 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then after giving 9 dashes, you have to put comma according to international system. So start from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, comma, one's period. Then not 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, thousands period, क्योंकि 3 place हैं. Then 1, 2, 3, this is your millions period. Now you have to fill the places. 18 million, 3 places are blank. So how do you write 18,018? ये हो गया. Then 960,000, 960, so 3 places, 960,000 over. Then 80, 3 places and 80, so you will write 080. Next, suppose you have been given numbers both in Indian and international system, and you have to write the place, period or place value of one digit which is encircled. So how do you write? First, in that case, you have to identify, पहचानना है whether the number or numeral is written in Indian or international system. पहले वो देखना है. So how do you know that? By looking at the position of commas. एक नंबर इंडियन में है या इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में लिखा है, कैसे जानोगे? By seeing the position of commas. So suppose here example 293476. How do you know that whether it is written in Indian or international system? यहाँ देखो ones period में तो दोनों का सेम है. ones में 3, ones में 3, इससे नहीं पता चलेगा. But in Indian thousands में 2, thousands में यहाँ 3. So here you see 3 places, ones period, then 2 places, then here comma are there. Means this is in Indian system. So second number, if it is given 4, 8, 5, 6, 7, 2, 0, 5. Now see the position of commas after 3 from the right hand side. Then again after 3, then comma. That means in thousands, 3 places are there. This is international system. Now how to write period? Period of 9. So as it is in Indian system, so it is 1, this is thousands. So 9 is in thousands period. What is the place of 9? 1000, it is 10,000. So it is 10,000. Place value 9 with 4 zeros means 90,000. 9 और सामने जितनी जगह है उतने 0. So it is 90,000. Here encircle digit is 4. What is the period of 4? As is in international system, this is ones, this is thousand, this is millions. So the period of 4 is millions. बच्चों बहुत सारे बच्चे ना मिलियन का स्पेलिंग गलत लिखते हैं, MILLO लिख देते हैं, मिलियंस नहीं होता, इट इज मिलियंस. सो मिलियंस इज द पीरियड. प्लेस, दिस इज मिलियंस, दिस इज 10 millions. So the place is 10 millions. And what is the place value? 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 with 7 zeros. And children, when you write the place value, put the position of commas according to the system. इंडियन सिस्टम का लिख रहे हो तो उस हिसाब से कॉमा दोगे प्लेस वैल्यू में. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम का लिख रहे हो सो पोजीशन ऑफ द कॉमा शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज कंपैरिजन ऑफ the two number place value charts. Now you see ones same, tens same, 100 same, 1000 place same. यानी ये चारों place, पांचों place, fifth place तक same है. Then sixth place, here you see in Indian number system sixth place is lakhs, international system is your 100,000, means 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So the relationship is 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Then here the seventh place is 10 lakh. Here seventh place is million. That means 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. So see, 1 million is equals to 10 lakh. 2 millions, 20 lakhs. 3 millions, 30 lakhs, and so on. Here then eighth place is crore, but here eighth place is 10 million, means इंडियन सिस्टम का 1 crore इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के 10 million के साथ बराबर है. So the equivalence is 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 2 crore 20 million, 5 crore 50 millions. Then the ninth place is 10 crore and here 100 million, means 10 crores in Indian system is equal to 100 millions. So 10 crores in 100 millions. So this relationship you have to remember.